Alright, today we want to see how we can solve these change of subject questions on the board. All these questions you see here follow the same mathematical process. So I'm going to solve question number 1 so that you use that concept to answer the rest of the question. Now from question number 1, we have been told to make M the subject. So we are looking for M as a subject. And the principle we are going to use here is that we do cross multiplication. So all the questions you see on the board, you do cross multiplication. How do we do it? This will multiply this, and this will come and multiply that. So we can take the top one by this first. So I can put my Q here, multiplying 3M minus N, okay, should be equal to P here, multiplying 5M minus N, as we can see. So this is the first concept here. Now the second concept, we are going to remove the bracket. So this Q will multiply this, and it will give us 3MQ minus, we are going to have NQ equal to 5MP minus NP, as we can see here. Now our second approach is that we want to make M the subject, but we can see M here, we can also see M here. So we group all the M at one side, and to avoid negatives and other things, it will be better for we to group our M on the left hand side. Therefore we'll send this to the left hand side. So let's see how we can do it. We have 3MQ minus 5MP equal to, then we move this, all right, and this is negative. When we move it, it will be positive NQ minus our NP, as we can see here. So here M is here, M is here, we can factorize the M out. So M out, we have 3Q minus 5P should be equal to, here too we can factorize N out, so Q minus what? P, as we can see here. We divide both sides by 3Q minus 5P, here by 3Q minus 5P, okay? And this will nullify this. Then we are going to have our M should be equal to N multiplying Q minus P all over what? 3Q minus 5P. Then we say the M is the subject of the relation. So try question number 2 up to number 4 and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you.